If your Gaiwan is too big or too full, you will always burn your fingertips. In this video, I will show you how to hold the Gaiwan comfortably without burning yourself. First, get the right size Gaiwan. Personally, I think 50 to 120 ml is the perfect range. I have many different sizes, but the smaller one is always my go-to. Once you have the right size, practice first with cold water to build muscle memory and get comfortable with the pouring motion. Fill the Gaiwan about 80 or 85% full. Then, count 1, position the lid. Count 2, place your thumb and the middle finger on the rim of the bowl. You can also add your ring finger for extra stability. Then, gently rest your index finger on the lid to guide the pour. Count 3. Let the water flow guide the movement as you push the Gaiwan forward to pour. That's it! Now, let's make it real. Bring your water to a boil and fill the Gaiwan about 80% full. If you accidentally overfill it, simply pour it out a little first. Then repeat. 1, 2, 3. Congratulations! You just completed your first Gaiwan pour. Try it yourself. How do you learn to use a Gaiwan? Share your tips in the comments.